Why am I always tired? I was burned out and stuck in bad habits and completely lost. And then I met Marcus. His guidance flipped everything for me, and I left the chaos behind, built a business that I love, and became a millionaire. And now I'm a philanthropist, giving back in ways I could have never imagined before. This is where I started, this is what changed, and this is how I got here. Ever feel like you're waking up in Groundhog Day? Same routine, same exhaustion, same slow realization that if nothing changes, nothing changes. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. When I was younger, I had energy for days. I was building a business full of confidence, full of ideas, felt like I was unstoppable. Then I got into the wrong circles, partying, substances, late nights, thought I was invincible, and 2 years later, I ended up in hospital bed with my first panic attack. Heart hammering out my chest, convinced I was about to die. The doctor told me I'd stressed my heart, not exactly what to hear when you're in your 20s. And that was the beginning of 2 years of absolute hell. Crippling anxiety, exhaustion, night terrors. I wake up with my nails dug into my palms, shaking, with no idea why. I was terrified of my own thoughts, and I'd looked like I'd been in a battle with Freddy Krueger. I remember one morning standing in the shower, just looking up and thinking, is this it? I didn't want to die. I just couldn't see how life could be worth living if this was what every day felt like. That was my lowest point. I actually went to Marcus just to stop the panic attacks. Thought he'd give me some breathing techniques or something, maybe some tricks to help me sleep, but what I got was so much more. Marcus didn't just help me fix the anxiety, he helped me fix me. He helped me understand how my past shaped the way I think, how my mind was running on patterns that made exhaustion my default setting. And once I learned how to reprogram that, everything changed. My business took off. I was waking up with energy again. And for the first time in years, I felt alive.
Okay, campers, rise and shine.
Look, if you're stuck in this cycle, waking up every morning feeling like life is one long, exhausting rerun, I get it. I really do. And I can tell you from experience, it doesn't just fix itself. You have to make a change. And for me, that change was working with Marcus. I don't know if this is the right path for you, but I do know it's worked for me. It's worked for my friends, my family, and even my own kids. So if this resonates, if you feel like you're tired of being tired, then maybe this is your next step. But listen, if Marcus is booked up, that doesn't mean you're out of options. We've set up free mental health courses through the Knights of Safety Academy. They're there to help you start this journey. Please give them a go, because anything is better than doing nothing. I hope this helps, I really do, and whatever path you choose, I wish you all the love in the world. Yeah.